Hello friends, today we are making super tasty and creamy mango pudding at home. This recipe very easy and delicious. Let's start. Take two ripe mangoes, remove the skin and cut them into small pieces. Now add the mango pieces into a mixer jar. Add 1.5 cup of sugar, pinch of salt, 1 cup of milk, grind everything into a smooth paste. In another bowl, add 3 spoons of corn flour, add 1 glass of milk, mix it well without lumps. Now switch on the stove and heat a pan. Add the mango paste and cook it slowly on low flame. After that, add the corn flour mixture and keep stirring. Cook until it becomes thick and creamy. Once bubbles start coming, switch off the stove. Now add half spoon of lemon juice and mix well. Pour into a serving bowl. Keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. Take it out of the fridge and plate it and give it to your family members and enjoy. Try this recipe at home and enjoy with your family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to channel. Thank you for watching.